My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's that DJI guy, and in this video, I just like to give a shout out to my cousin Zach, because he told me to make this video, and here we are doing it. Found this photo on Instagram.
So this is the photo that my cousin Zach found on Instagram. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get photos like this. So there he is, Philip_123. Go follow him, has some great content.
Yeah, so that photo I just showed you was what we're going to be trying to do today. I'm going to be showing you how you can take photos like that. Yeah, so let's get started.
Unfortunately, when I was putting this video together, I couldn't find the video that I'd recorded through my phone of how to, like, where you sit and get the shot. But really what I did, I went up 200 meters with the drone, and then I aimed the camera down, and you just take the photo. I'll show you the editing stage now, and yeah, I hope you like it. Sorry about that. So this is the photo that we are going to be editing. I'm using a Windows computer right now to do this. You can also do it with an iPad. If you want to see how you can do it with an iPad, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video. Skip through and see how you can edit exactly like this on an iPad. But for this video, I'm going to be doing it on the computer. So I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to go edit and create. So this is on a Windows 10 Dell laptop. Any other Windows 10 should have this. It's just in the Photos app. Okay, so we're going to go into the edit. So it says crop and add filters, effects and more. So we're going to go in here, we're going to click adjust, and we're going to adjust the light to really what looks best. So always like to turn my light down a bit when I like to add some more dramatic effect. You can turn your colour up like that, or really makes it look nice right there. And then this, it just sharpens it up. You have a lot more effects actually in a iPad. So, and then this bit, like, you could be black around the outside or white around the outside. Both of them not that good, so I usually like to stick on 0 or just 2 out from that. And that is pretty much it. I'll give you a better look at the photo now so you can really enjoy it.